Hello and welcome to this Inspiration Clan video tutorial. Now what we're going to do in this lesson is just reset the workspace to the default. This is going to make sure that we're both seeing the same workspace and we can go from there. Now what I'm just going to do, this is the default as it is. I'm just going to remove something, so I'm just going to come up and close a tab group, close another tab group out here. Close tab group there, and you see we've changed our workspace. So what we're going to do is reset so we're both seeing the same. So we want to come up to window and we want to come down to workspace, and you'll see the drop down menu. Now there are different default workspaces in Photoshop, you'll see those here, so you can click through them and give those a try. But what we're just going to do is we're going to click on reset. So as I click reset, there you'll go, you'll see we are back to the default workspace. So you should see these panels over here on the right, document window here on the left. So there we go, now we've reset the workspace. Let's move on to actually customizing the workspace in the next video.